Somebody is enjoying his cookies. Tell them, should they try it for their kids?
What?
Should they make those cookies for their kiddos?
Mama?
Yeah.
Mama?
Yeah. Should the mamas make those for their kids?
No.
Oh, you don't want to share? Well, can I have one of your cookies?
Yeah.
I'm going to try one of his cookies. Mmm. That's good. Good job. Good job.
My broccoli on my feet.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Hey guys, welcome back to Honey Bear's Country Kitchen. So today I am working on making a healthier chocolate chip cookie for my kiddos. My youngest now is homeschooled, so he was asking for cookies today. So follow along as we get started on this recipe. We're going to start out with milling our flour. So let's get started. Alrighty, so my recipe calls for a half a cup of almond flour. I'm going to substitute that out, and I'm going to use soft white flour. So I need a half a cup here. And I just go ahead and measure out my berries before I go ahead and grind them down. So if you have a Nutrimill, you want to turn it on before you start grinding your flour. Oh, it helps if I would plug it in today. Alrighty, crisis averted. We got it plugged in. So friends, this is what it looks like. I'm new at fresh milling my own flour, and I am absolutely in love with this. This is only my third time using it, but once you start using it, it gets better. I mean, I had a lot of ups and downs when I started using it. I had to figure it out, a lot of trial and errors, but I love it.
And making Titi. I want to eat Titi. I want to make her.
You making cookies with Mama?
Yeah. No, I do. I big boy.
Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. Alrighty, friends. So in our bowl, we're gonna add 1 cup of rolled oats. You dump it in.
do it.
Then it calls for half a cup of almond flour, but I'm using a half a cup of soft white fresh milled flour.
Hey.
All right, then we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
I like tea. Gotta go my berry.
All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and let these dry ingredients get a little bit of a mix going on here.
I do it.
Okay, can you turn it off?
Done?
Yep, turn it off.
I'll fail.
All right, now we're gonna add 1 egg.
I'll fail.
Yeah, dump the honey. We're adding a
Go off.
1/4 cup of honey. Keep it in the bowl.
That in here?
Nope, not yet. He's so excited to put the chocolate chips in here. Then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of coconut oil.
I like that.
Yeah, you do.
This
This has no sugar in here.
All
Alright, then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's good, buddy. Can you turn it on for me? I'm gonna go ahead and let this get nice and incorporated.
That one.
Watching it all mix. They mix, 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 mix. As it's mixing, I'm going to let him dump in 1 cup of sugar-free Lily chocolate chips. The recipe only calls for half, but he decided he wanted a full cup.
I want to eat it. I want to eat one.
You want to eat them? So what size cookies we making? You want to make little ones? So you have plenty for later?
Yeah. Give me that.
The little scoop? Remember how to do it? Oh, he pushed Mommy away. He said, no help, no thank you. I'm going to push it all the way into the scoop.
That
Look, let's wipe it off so it's not overloaded. There you go. You got to turn it over. And squeeze the handle, remember? Squeeze. Oh, look, there you go. So he's going to make him some mini chocolate chips. And we have our oven preheating at 350. That's what you just heard, ding. Are you going to share these with Bubba?
No, mine.
Oh, these are all yours?
I made Bubba big
So
one.
mamas, if you're looking for a healthier option and you don't want to use sugar, try this recipe. I'm sure you're going to love it. We're going to go ahead and get this tray filled, and then we're going to get them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. How many you got on there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Well, say 12. Are we going to put them in the oven?
Yeah, my didn't.
Your oven mitt?
Yeah. Well.
Oh, let's find the oven mitt. We'll be right back. What are we going to do?
Wow.
Are we going to put them in the oven?
Yeah.
All right. I hope you carry them.
No, I do it.
Let's
No,
do
I do it.
I know. We got to do it together because it's hot. Remember?
No, I do it.
Okay. Put them on the bottom.
I do it.
Okay. All right. Shut the door.
I want to make the big one.
Hey, shut the door. Tell them. Say I see you in 8 to 10 minutes. Say bye.
Bye. Hey, when I done, I want to make Bubba big one.
Alrighty, guys. You can't get them out of the oven because the oven's hot. Mommy will get them out, okay?
I done more. The more.
Alright, so we've had them in for 10 minutes. Well, we got 15 seconds left. This is what they look like. I did have to push them down. But they're looking mighty fine there. I
Happy?
say for a little kid snack.
Happy?
We're going to let these go ahead and cool. There's my timer.
Make more.
We're going to go ahead and let these cool.
Make more.
We'll go ahead and get another batch in the oven. And then when they cool, I'll go ahead and let little man here try them for you guys and see what he thinks. How about that, buddy? You going to try it for him?
Yeah, here we are. Baby,
What are you doing up there?
Baby.
Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hi, I be Mom. Pop.
Ah, my cups are up there.
No, big one.
Big ones, yeah?
No, big. No, big. No, big. No, give me that. Titi.
You got to let the cookie cool. Wait, don't touch. Hot. That pan's hot.
Mommy tried it.
You ready to try your cookies that you made?
Yeah.
You excited? Look at me, chocolate face. He's already been eating on them. He's got chocolate around his face already.
What? Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Here you go.
No.
It's melted. Try it. Is that yummy? I had to give him a towel because he don't like messes. Hey, how is that chocolatey cookie? You gonna eat them all? You gonna give Bubba one? Bubba's not allowed to have any? Jeb, look at Mama. Bubba can't have any of those cookies? Are they all for you? You gonna eat every last one of them? Somebody is enjoying his cookies. Tell them, should they try it for their kids?
What?
Should they make those cookies for their kiddos?
Mama?
Yeah,
Mama?
yeah. Should the mamas make those for their kids?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to share? Well, can I have one of your cookies?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try one of his cookies. Mmm. That's good. Good job. Good job.
My broccoli on my feet.
Mm-hmm. Isn't that good? Tell them, say thank you for watching.
Watching.
Say bye.
Bye.
Can I get a cute smile? All right, there you have it, guys. My cookies were a hit. He loves them. He's already ate 3 of them. I just got the other ones out. So that recipe makes 24 cookies. So I even have chocolate on my face. So I would advise making those for your littles. And then they're so much healthier than the regular cookies with all that sugar and additives and all that stuff in it. So Yeah, so give these cookies a try. Let me know what you think. If you could, would you hit that like and that subscribe button? And I thank you for watching. Bye.